Oh, okay. All right. Welcome to the Money Talk Show TV, baby. I am your host, baby, the Money Coach, baby. I started this channel, website, moneytalkshowtv.com. Link below, please check it out, to help motivate and encourage all new investors to get into the stock market, baby. I am the motivator to help you get in that, baby. I try to make it live for you, entertaining. And let's go. Today's video, we're going to get into M1 Finance, baby. All right, got the M1 Finance over there, baby. M1 Finance is doing this thing. I like it. I love it. I want to introduce you into it. So today's video, this is what you're going to get from the rest of the video, baby. Got some index for you. You'll get some pros. Okay, give you some pros about the M1 Finance. You'll get some cons. Okay, I'm gonna tell you the good, the bad. You're gonna get my pie on M1 Finance. Show you my pie. Then I'm gonna also show you intro to M1 Finance, a little bit about it, explain about it, what are they about, what they have to offer, and everything, and give you my personal aspect and conclusion on M1 Finance, baby. That's all in the video. And at the end, if you stay to the end, baby, okay, stay to the end. We got some hot stocks out there for you, baby. I try to give you some hot stocks to look up. I am not a financial advisor. I am not a financial analyst, baby. I'm just a money coach here to put you into the game. It's all on how you play the game, baby. Is you gonna score? You gonna hit home runs? You gonna dunk on them? Or what you gonna do, baby? Or you gonna sit on the bench and not listen to these plays? Hey. But let's get into it. This M1 Finance banger, baby. M1 Finance, baby, is bringing all these new things for you to try to help encourage, motivate everybody to get into the stock market, baby. M1 Finance. Let's go holler at it. Welcome to the Money Talk Show TV, baby. I am your host, the Money Coach, baby. Okay. If you didn't know, I am a veteran. You did? I started this channel and created the moneytalkshowtv.com, YouTube, Instagram, everything to encourage and motivate new investors, baby. Okay, I'm the motivator, baby, the middleman to get you started in the stock market, to get you not to be afraid, to get you comfortable about the stock market, baby. Okay, let's get into M1 Finance today, baby. Okay, M1 Finance, I told you to bring you into some new things. I'm not going to tell you or encourage or anything that I don't use myself. But for the disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a dude, the money coach, who's doing what I can in the stock market to try to help and motivate all new investors, baby. So it's up to you if you want to get into the stock market game. All right? Not a financial advisor, just an entertainer, baby, in the stock market, baby. All right? And you see right here, we got M1 Finance, baby. Okay? M1 Finance. I told you I'm going to bring it into you, okay? You see M1 Finance. I got Neo over there, baby, you know what I'm saying? Ticker symbol NIO, you know, BAC, Bank of America, baby. Got Apple in there, you know what I'm saying? AAPL, you dig? Got MFA, financials, baby, you know what I'm saying? The bank. And I got the moderately aggressive pie, baby, okay? M1 Finance give you a nice little pie, you know. All right. And with inside that M1 Finance account, you know what I'm saying, they give you lots of different perks, baby. We can get into some of those perks, okay? Those first perks you got is M1 Spend, baby. M1 Spend. M1 Spend is an integrated digital bank along with its investment service, baby. Okay, it sweeps excess cash into an account that includes a debit card, which earns you 1% cash backs on your purchases, baby. Okay, M1 Spend. All right. They also give you the option of M1 Borrow, baby. Okay. M1 Borrow is a portfolio line of credit available to the customers. Okay, with over 10 stacks of marginal securities in their accounts. So you got to have 10 stacks in the accounts. It's big boy stuff. Okay. All right. And if you do, they charge us 3.5% interest. You can set a payback schedule on the app. Okay. So if you got 10 stacks, big boys, you can borrow against that and pay it back with a 3.5% interest, baby, and scheduled payments. All right. Then they got M1 Plus, baby. Okay. M1 Plus is a subscription service that costs you $125 a year. Per year now, okay? And it allows members to earn 1% interest on their cash balances, okay? M1 Plus also drops their interest charges for loans to 2%, baby. There are frequently discounts on M1 Finance Plus that are worth looking for, baby. I actually just joined M1 Plus, okay? So check out the M1 Finance with the M1 Plus, all right? They also offer smart transfers, okay? It's available for M1 Plus members, okay? It lets you set cash thresholds in your M1 spending account. Any amount over the threshold gets transferred into the invest account according to the rules defined by the user, okay? But M1 Finance give you all kinds of latest, baby, okay? Here's some pros of M1 Finance, baby, okay? Some of those pros is you can trade with fractional shares, baby. M1 Finance, told you about the fractional shares with Robinhood, baby. M1 Finance is one of them. You can get fractional shares. You can start off with small, $5, $10 if you want to, with Apple. You know what I'm saying? Facebook. You dig? All those, the fangs. You know, we'll get to the fangs later on, okay? But that's one of the perks, okay? They got no trading fees, baby. No trading fees or no management fees with M1 Finance, baby. So you can go ahead and manage all your stuff with no fees, baby. They cut zero fees, baby. Zero fees. Like zero fees, baby. Okay. Another good pro for the M1 Finance, baby. They got flexible portfolio building, including more than 80 expert portfolios that you can follow, baby. So they already got portfolios made by professionals, professional analysts, which I am not, okay? They got it already set up for you. So if you want to choose one of those pies that's already simplified for you, that's made by some of those analysts, go ahead and pick that, baby. Simplified. Just put your money in there. M1 Finance, baby, okay? The dashboard illustrates the current composition of your positions, baby. So when you go to the dashboard, bam, pops up, let you know what you got today. At the top, you see right there, it lets you know, hey, you're up or you're down in your percentage. Break it down to a nice little pie for you. I like the pie, boy. I tell your boy I like to eat, baby. So I like to eat. Gotta get that pie, baby. Get that pie. M1 Finance pie, baby. Okay. You can also place individual stock or ETF orders with M1 Finance, baby. It's another good perk, baby. Okay, now let's get into some cons of M1 Finance, baby. I want to be transparent and give you the best quality and let you choose for yourself, baby. One of the cons about M1 Finance is that the amount, excuse me, let me get my facts straight. All right. The way trades are placed puts transaction timing out of control. Okay. So that's one thing. So the timing is a little bit off with the M1 Finance when you place bets. That's why that's pretty much what I take from that is it's a long-term investment brokerage account. It's not one of the ones you get on M1 Finance and make day trades. Use Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, or Webull for that. Okay, M1 Finance timing is a little off, so I wouldn't use that or recommend that for day trade, baby. This is some long-term, steady money, baby. Okay, that's one of the cons. All right, let's say you open up an account with M1 Finance, baby. Okay, and your account is less than $20, baby. Okay, and you have not done any activity in 90 days. M1 Finance will charge you a fee, baby, because they feel like you playing games with them and you just got their money, the little bitty chump change, little $10 there, and you're playing. They're not gonna be holding giving you all these tools and tips and stuff that you can use, and you ain't got nothing but $10 in that, or you're not making any activity. So make sure that you have less than $20 in your M1 Finance account, that you get some activity, baby. You add some money, you know what I'm saying? You stay active with it. So don't get charged a fee. Don't want you to get charged no fee, baby. Told you try to save money on this show, baby. Talk Show TV, baby. I'm trying to interact with my fans and viewers or anybody who definitely want to learn or know anything about the stock market, baby, so I can learn better too. All right. This question goes out to Venus Hodge, okay? It's a member in our group, you know what I'm saying, New Investors Group. Okay, he said, is this one better than Webull, or are all of these investment apps pretty much the same? The only one I find different is Acorns, because they invest for you based on your risk factor. Good question there. All right. Now, M1 Finance is definitely different, I believe, in my opinion. It's different than Robinhood and some of those other platforms, but it is kind of similar to Acorns. They do base things off your risk factor, okay? But they just set it in a nice little pie for you. It's a nice little simple pie for you, 30, 20, 40, 50, baby, as long as you get 100%. And that way you can always adjust all of your investments within that pie. So for instance, for example, if you got 3 stocks within that pie, which is Apple, for example, Tesla, and Nano Dimensions, which I like. Okay, you got those 3 in there. Just say like Nano Dimensions is doing very good right now. Nano Dimensions is moving. Tesla is kind of staying in the standstill. So what you would do is, what I would do is, what I just, recently done is I adjust my investments. So therefore I would take, if you had it 30, 30, 30, 35, 35, 35, whatever, spreading within all those 3, which would be 33.3, 33. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I would change it to Nano Dimensions to like a 60% or 50%, turn Tesla into a 10%, and turn, the other stock that I said, for the other percentage, okay? With M1 Finance, they give you that option, baby. You can just adjust it. You just the percentages, you know what I'm saying? You can just change it. Hey, I want to, this week, I'm going to put in $50 to $100 or whatever you want to put. Loans is a minimum of 10. You have to put at least a minimum of $10 in there, per deposit. But you put that $10 in there and you can say, hey, that 10, I want to be spread out 60%. You know what I'm saying? Nano, 40% this and 10%. You dig? You know what I'm saying? For Tesla or whatever. You can break it down like that. That's why I like Nano Dimensions. Appreciate that comment and that support. If y'all got any questions, comments, please leave them down. I'd be so gladly to answer them or try to post them more so, people can understand and get a little better understanding. But hey, in my opinion, M1 Finance is simplified. They also give you the option of opening up a custodial account through M1 Finance. To me, it's just simplified. For anyone who don't know about investing in too many stocks or you want to get into real estate, I highly suggest M1 Finance. If you're definitely not trying to get into day trading or anything like that, you just want to put some investments up for your family or yourself, M1 Finance is simple, baby. They don't charge no fees and all that stuff. You just put it in there in the pie, you just set it and forget it. Okay, with M1 Finance, set it and forget it, baby, for long-term investing, okay? I wouldn't do it for short-term or swing trading. You get what I'm saying? Swing trading is when you buying a stock for this month, in the month of January, you're gonna load up $500,000, $600,000 or $100, whatever you have, and then you plan on selling that stock, by March or saying April somewhere. I wouldn't recommend using that platform, M1 Finance, for that. M1 Finance is just long-term. I'm putting my money in there. That's my retirement fund for M1 Finance and for my stock market. Robinhood, I use that to day trade, quicks here and now. M1 Finance, more long-term. I just do it a little bit differently, but M1 Finance, Weeble, I'm sorry, long-term, but hey, M1 Finance, set it and forget it, baby. Simplified pie. Be blessed to invest in yourself. Okay, you see it now. I got some Vanguards, got some ETFs, got some real estate in there, baby. Okay, got all kinds of things in there, baby. I like that moderate aggressive. It means it breaks down. It's already set for you. That's one of those pies that I was talking about earlier that analysts already then pick and choose which companies and everything is all in one for you, baby. So you just open it up. You see all what I got in just that one stock, one stop shop, baby, at M1 Finance. Just to let you know how to get into the game, baby. In the 10K challenge, the 52-week K challenge, baby, I'm still going strong, baby. I'm investing every week. So you see right there, my M1 Finance account was at $300 something, baby. I had to put more money into it every week. I'm putting money into these investments, baby. I'm gonna show my money grow, baby. We make your money grow on this show, baby. Try to make your money talk with M1 Finance, baby. Simplify. Go ahead, put your money in the M1 Finance. Get in the game, baby. Okay? You see it. Get into the game. I'm the money coach. Be blessed to invest in yourself. Go ahead and give them the M1 Finance. You see it breaks it down for you with Neo. It tells you my average cost, what I paid for it when I bought it, what percentage. It breaks down everything for you, simplified, baby, okay? So we'll get into it even more than just the intro, let you know, hey, about M1 Finance, baby. Got Bank of America, baby. Told you about the banks with Biden. Hey, come on now. Use your head, told you to use that noggin, baby, okay? The banks, once they get the stimulus checks or anybody get back to work and things and the economy gets back moving, Who's going to benefit, baby? The banks, okay? So I'm making bets on banks. I got some calls on some banks, baby, with the betting. Then I got some investments, some long-term investments with the banks, baby. Dividends, okay? Bank of America give you dividends. Apple, dividends, okay? M1 Finance, okay? Let's go to the moderate aggressive, okay? You see it now, I got some Vanguards, got some ETFs, got some real estate in there, baby, okay? Got all kinds of things in there, baby. I like that moderate aggressive. It means it breaks down, it's already set for you. That's one of those pies that I was talking about earlier that analysts already didn't pick and choose which companies and everything is all in one for you, baby. So you just open it up, you see all what I got in just that one stock. One stop shop, baby, at M1 Finance. Just to let you know how to get into the game, baby. In the 10K challenge, the 52-week K challenge, baby, I'm still going strong, baby. I'm investing every week. So you see right there, my M1 Finance account was at $300 something, baby. I had to put more money into it every week. I'm putting money into these investments, baby. I'm gonna show my money grow, baby. We make your money grow on this show, baby. Try to make your money talk with M1 Finance, baby. Simplify. Go ahead, put your money in the M1 Finance. Get in the game, baby, okay? You see it, get into the game. I'm the money coach. Be blessed to invest in yourself. Go ahead and give them the M1 Finance. You see it breaks it down for you with Neo. It tells you my average cost, what I paid for it when I bought it, my percentage. It breaks down everything for you, simplified, baby, okay? So we'll get into it even more. It's just the intro, let you know, hey, about M1 Finance, baby. Got Bank of America, baby. Told you about the banks with Biden. Hey, come on now. Use your head, told you, use that noggin, baby, okay? The banks, once they get the stimulus checks or anybody get back to work and things, and the economy gets back moving, who's going to benefit, baby? The banks, okay? So I'm making bets on banks. I got some calls on some banks, baby, with the betting. Then I got some investments, some long-term investments with the banks, baby. Dividends, okay? Bank of America give you dividends. Apple, dividends, okay, baby? That's what I'm working with, MFA, dividends. Your boy love dividends. This is my dividend portfolio right here. It's pretty much 90% dividends. Everything in this portfolio gives me a dividend except for Neo. And I mixed that up to a little bit more growth stock, because Neo is a growth stock to me. You know what I'm saying? It's a baby. It got time to grow. So that's why I want that to grow into my portfolio along with my dividends. I might add one more growth stock, Nano Dimensions, baby. Told y'all about Nano. Nano been blowing up, baby. Hitting that 1480 something high on Friday, baby. Okay. Told y'all about Nano before it was $5, baby. Nano Dimensions. I've been on it, baby. We increasing our position. I'm up. The wife is up, baby. You gotta get the kids to Nano Dimensions next, baby. Okay. Getting them kids accounts open up. That's coming next, baby. Gotta get the kids custodial accounts. I might do it through M1 Finance because I like M1 Finance. It's simplified, straight to the point, boom, easy. It should be simplified for the kids to understand it. I might rock with the M1 Finance for the custodial accounts. I think so.